This is a sewing machine. You can use it to make your clothes look fantastic on you. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. I don't like long intros though. Let's do this. Every single sewing machine made in the last 150 years or so asks you 3 questions. What kind of stitch do you want to make? How long do you want that stitch to be? And how wide? Answer 1. What kind of stitch? Well, we only use 2 to DIY tailor, the straight stitch and the zigzag stitch. That's it. Answer number 2, how long do you want that stitch to be? Well, this dial here goes from 1 to 4, meaning 1 millimeter or 4 millimeters. A standard straight stitch is 2.5, so if you want to replicate that store-bought look on your clothes, just set it to 2.5.
I think you should subscribe.
Answer number 3, how wide? Well, this only applies to the zigzag stitch, and mine goes from 1 to 7, also in millimeters, which determines the distance the needle will travel from side to side as it goes along, making a zigzag pattern. Whew, that was a mouthful. This dial controls our stitch tension, or how tight do we want our stitch to be. Mine goes from 1 to 9. 1 is loose and 9 is tight, and it's kind of the opposite of what you might think. You're gonna go tight for thinner materials and looser for thicker materials. In the great words of Billy Mays, but wait, there's more! Let's thread it. Start from the spool and follow the idiot-proof directions your machine shows you exactly where to put your thread. Backstitch lever, and it's got one job and one job only, to lock in our stitch at the beginning and the end of our seam. Remember Mr. Bobbin? He goes down here, and this is what makes up the bottom portion of your stitch. They last quite a while after you wind them up, and this is where the magic happens. Our needle goes stabby through our garment, making the top stitch and the bottom stitch become friends. Meanwhile, our presser foot makes sure your garment doesn't get all shifty on you, and your feed dogs, those little teeth-looking things down there, they say, hey, move it along. That's it. That's how a sewing machine works. Let's go use this bad boy to turn some sweatpants into joggers. It's in the end card. I'll see you on the other side. SD out. See ya.